Molweni guys, good morning and welcome back to a new vlog. If you come across this channel for the first time, my name is Yoba, my surname is Chaza. I hope you decide to stay by subscribing and join the rest of our family. And if you are a returning subscriber, oh, I love you so much. I appreciate you so much. Yes, this channel is nothing without you guys. Now, hi guys. Hey, Yeva Nation. I heard Bakona Bandu that are saying intro with me. Love you, Yeva Nation, so much, guys. Let's open a new vlog. See Eastern Cape, guys. We're going to Eswatini, Ndisayo Kurusha Umsesane. Not in a good way, guys. You know, I don't like when we're going to Eastern Cape for funeral. Yeah, we're going to a funeral. Zinwam, guys. Kwatatu Tunzi, there is a funeral. So yeah, sad. Very, very, very sad news. So we have to travel to Eastern Cape, guys. This is a Pretoria. For those who are new to the channel, so we will drive from Pretoria to Pietermaritzburg. At Pietermaritzburg, guys, I've got a surprise for you. I've got a surprise for you. I'll tell you when we get to Pietermaritzburg. For now, let us get dressed, guys. Kuyabanda, a Pretoria, Kuyabanda, Eswatini. So I'm gonna wear this turtleneck from the Fix. And then, guys, I'm not sure whether send Kumbule Mzinam. This is the first time since Mzinam since January. But this year, this is the first time. Yeah, because Jen, we went to PE, we didn't go to Eswatini. So I'm gonna be wearing Elijele, guys, from Pretoria to Eswatini this time around. And the bathroom the change. So I'm gonna wear this. I'm just not gonna put in a scarf for now. I'll put it asendi closer to Esidwara. So let's get dressed and go to Eswatini. Goodness, on the shoes, I'm gonna carry, guys, these are so comfortable. I think I should get in different colors. Yo, they are so comfortable. I'm taking them down to Eastern Cape and we've got a new pair we're adding to the collection. I went there. I went to, I'm not sure if you guys know Atterbury. I went to Atterbury. I was looking for New Balance sneakers. The ones that were there, I didn't like them. So I went to Nike. I got these cuties. Yeah, I'm not sure if andikwazi kuzinxiba ngoku because bendifeeling ase ndizinxibe ngoku ndithi kaus kuyabanda, but inyawo zam ziyadumba, shrem ziyadumba xa ndihlele emotweni for a long time. So let me just do, and then the socks zigaligcobo ezi zifuna ntoni apha. I'm sharing socks, guys, with my husband. Nezi zezigaligcobo zesikolo hayibo socks zomntanam. Let me take them out. This is not the same pair. Oh, Sana. Okay. Yeah, this is the same pair. POV, you are sharing socks with your husband. That's my husband drawer. So Guys, did I tell you today is a Friday? It is a long weekend because on the 27th, which is when Monday, it's a long weekend. So I just took 1 day leave. Miena is at work. Gobo went to school, so he is on his way. He's gonna via Ulgobo, but we had to ask Ulgobo because we want to leave this side around, what is the time now? I think it's 10 a.m. now. So we were planning to leave around 10, but it's already 10 a.m. So anytime they get here, we need to leave. So Ulgobo simcelile esikolweni to fetch her early. You answer wrong. You ayikho le ndaba. For now, let me wear my techies, guys. I will change or ngizozikhulula xa ndisemotweni because ndirongo man. Makoti on the move. Sayegyurisha umsesane, guys. Thank you. Okay. Let me do the Duke. And guys, before we do the Duke, on one of the vlogs, I wanted the Utoni and the guy. Guess what? New member of the family. Ndiyaxolisa guys, bese ndiyivulile. I was too excited. Ooh! I was too much excited, so I opened it because benifuna uyitesta uba iyasebenza na or ndingabe ndiyithatha ndicingela uba iyasebenza kanti it's not working. And also I bought them from Clicks, guys. They've got a special. I got a hair dryer as well. Yes, hair dryer as well as a straightener. I wanted also a, is it a hot comb? Yes, I also wanted a hot comb, but the budget was like, no, girl, next time. So this is the dryer. Yona bendingeka ivuli. I think my installation one, I'm gonna try to myself now, but I'm not gonna open it now. Yeah, just wanted to let you know about we've got that addition to the family now. Bendenze installation is Zolo, and I don't know about injani. Ayisebuhlungu. Okay, let me try and fix this, guys, and then hey, garage door. That's my husband, guys. Inoba sizawubonana endleleni ave elibamba ixesha. Xa ithe kuyahanjwa sonke funeka sirhorhozele apha emva kwakhe, sirhorhozele. Yo, ayikeke. Yo. Hi, Chatani, guys, Chatani. Oh, baby wam, I don't think I'm taking down to Eastern Cape. Ndizomshiya ngekhe phela. Anyway, ndisihleli ndizobe ndifake iduku. So, I don't think I'm gonna need to be straightening the hair and in fact, it's way to just shave. I think I should have a straightener Eastern Cape. And guys, impahla zam zonke say Eastern Cape, from cosmetics to amajelemane. Eli ndandibuye ndilinxibile. Best decision ever, because even luggage yethu ayikho nintsi. Yo, and then nguye guys.
Oh, my mommy.
Hi baby. Unjani? It's time to go.
It's time to buy.
It's time to buy. Ndikukhuphela impahla ozozinxiba ndiyakucela Bhina. Cela uzinxibe ezi mpahla ndikukhuphele zona.
And this one.
Okay, you are fine with them. Okay, thank you. Okay, mbonqina ke sana sizohamba. Jonga thatha iikawusi zakho ezi. Akuzazi zingene njani apha ewardrobe. Okay, sorry. Une-perfume? Awuna-perfume eyisindile? I think I have mna. Yo. Tofake that's ibhegi kaligcobo. Nathi asisenalo ixesha lodlala ngosifuna ugoduka. We wanna go home. Masigodukeni sine ndiyogotiza kokwenu. Nconco kham. Njani ngoku? Nqotywe yintoni ngoku?
Ngoku bendibala ifestire nendandibeka kulaa ndawo emnyama.
Oh, khome apha wenze OOTD yakho. Yes.
My OOTD, Mr. Price, and nice.
Ekasine.
That's not Mr. Price. Mr. Price. Steve made it.
Masiye kokwenu ke sis. Bendiphekile guys. Yo, bendenze ibreakfast. Hayi ndihamba nako ukutya kwam namntakabawo andizulamba endleleni. This is a failed and sizobuya kumoshakele ukutya if asikutyi ngoku. This is a failed omelette. Ibe zi-double chips, sausage and hey, yintoni le andisayazi siyancanyiswa ngoku kuthiwa akho xesha lakudlala. Ndicela idrinki nami. Cela idrinki. Ayisoze kaloku sana. Holo, akuse-early. Guys, siyaphuma and i-breakfast yam ndiyifake apha. I'm gonna eat just now. We are just gonna pray. We normally pray when we travel. Oh my goodness, why is this doing this to me? Yeah, let us pray. Bawo ingcwele egameni elinamandla lenkosi yethu uYesu Kristu, siyacela Nkosi usifihle Thixo wethu onamandla onke endleleni yonke sifike siphephile. Baba wethu onamandla onke hlala encangathini yale moto. Thixo wethu onamandla onke sendlala ikhaphethe bovu yegazi likaYesu ukusuka ePretoria Nkosi siyofika siphephile esidwadweni. Sinikeza wena lonke usuku ke Nkosi, sinikeza wena yonke imbeko ikufanele kakhulu ngoba unguThixo egameni elinamandla lenkosi yethu uYesu Kristu. Amen. I wish I was you there. Travel safe. Kanti thina we are here. Going down to EC. I coast Shire Airport, then when you can drive. I trust you. I say Shire man that.
Ikhona ndiphuma endlini. Sure.
Guys, we're on a journey. When we come back, no more acid. I didn't like umqolo wam on the previous vlog. No, I'm cool. I'm trying to lose that back fat. So I'm gonna be on diet. I'm joining Tobo and the friend Kumo. They are on diet. I don't know what they are dieting. So there is this. There's this diet. In Don Kamala, Omet. Yes, I wanna do Omet when we come back. Okay, yes, Omet. It's 1 meal per day. So if ndithenza utya ngo 6 p.m. tonight, then awutyi the following day, awutyi throughout the night, awutyi the following day, uyawuzuphinda utye ngo 6 p.m. the next day. Yes, but you must stay hydrated, drink a lot of water, stay away from acid. Yeah, but I wonder uba umuntu uzokhona na. But my husband is also joining me.
Yes, he must join you. No more acid, Medak.
Good luck.
Okay. I wish I got good luck. I'm on my own.
He does not want to stop drinking. I wanna lose weight. Stop.
What weight?
Wena uneweight uyithathapi?
Xa u-obsessed oluxobo nge-weight bebangaka. Kodwa kuphi kube ku first toll gate. Bye guys, see you at Pietermaritzburg. Ne-surprise yethu. Oh, Nkosi yami. Yes, Busisiwe mall. Nansi surprise. Yobonana kuyanetha yobonana apha endleleni. Hawe mama, lo Busi ngicela ubulisa abantu bami. Konini bekukhumbula.
Ngemke Kapa phela. La eMdlovana. Umasipala waseMvoti. Hayi molweni abantu basekhaya, ngiyanibulela, ngiyanibulisa. Dala nginikhumbulisa ngiyakhuluma nangizwa. Yadala angikhulumi. Dilapho kwesikhatshana apha eKZN. Diyekile uba ngumhlaba kakhatha recorded for inyangane dilapha eKZN.
Ungubani apho semdloti?
Hayi kumasipala waseMvoti. Itown yoMdlovana phela. Hawu sengiyakhuluma impela lapha. Sophini, hayi ngiyakhuluma impela lapha.
Udawawo phina.
Ngiyakhuluma impela. Udaba wakho uyakhuluma. Yithi ngothi mangibona udade uthi hawu mntakama. Kade ngakugcina.
I'm sure you guys inhliziyo zixolile but kuhlwile guys, it's late.
Akadona ubhuti wami angafuna ukundithethisa. Umntana wami siqabele.
Bayalwa guys.
Sizophinde sivale sanibona. Siqabela ngediwa eparking.
They had miscommunication guys. Ubusi was supposed to drop her car at my husband's friend. But then Ubusi arranged for someone to drop her here. Now my husband has already made means. Guys, it's a siblings fight.
Hayi ingane yasekhaya hayi safuna uzwa lutho nje ayifuna uzwa lutho senibone mayingena iganunwabi impela awe uzawudla amthela ihanqi impela Sobina hawu ingane kama iganunwabi ayifuna ulokotha nje ayifuna ukukhuluma nami hawu yazi mina ke angidlanga mina ngifuna ukudla kwingane kama hayi mayithenga ukudla phela angeke izikuthela yo Sobina umenzeni ubaba phela umenzeni ubaba
Uqolisele Bhina kude.
Hayi
awazi phela angazi hawu ngane kabhuti azange ngambona ubhuti eganuni wabo lahlobo Asima ngihlangana naye ngidla ngomncamisa ngithi ncwa mntakama we hayi this time around akafuna ozwa lutho Ngihlisa umoya phela umoya hawu nidleni phela ngidlanga eMdlovana uyazi le town lihlala kulo bathi uMdlovana phansi komasipala weMvoti Great Town. Yo, ziyabuya lapha. Hayi ngisemasoje. Ama push ups engiwenza lapha. Yo, hayi ngithathela. Ingathi azipheli nezinyanga we. Hayi. Manje ngiyabuza ukuthi asebebe ngisiyaphi inkosi yami. Hey. Hayi zandebona into ejima kanje uvu noba nazanganto eklasini niphose nje into eyi1. Hayi senisiwa phandle. Kuthiwa dark walk. Nizohamba kokwamadaki ke akufunga unjani uhamba amadaki oh hayi mayiphele lento mayiphele ngizoye emhlabeni wami ngeke kodwa ke ngizonyamezela
Ngemezeleni ukhona umvuzo
hayi impela
Mama mcilugqitha.
Ingane kama ya nyambani ba yena usasela ijuice ngaphakathi ngoku kodwa bendiqumbele usela ijuice
Uthi wena glasses ngumphathi wami lo.
Oh, icolleague yakhe.
Mama.
Oh. Uthini ujabawo makakhulumi. Uthini?
Ngane kabhuti. Yathi ngimenzeni ubhuti. Awungani. Khathi.
Hawu emana wozo drive.
Sikhona. Hawu. Ubuthi usanga nje emgaqweni straight uzongithatha noma. Uthisha they're so impatient. They're so abantwana laba
Mama useganunwabi akafuni lutho nje hayi unisizile ngiba ngathi molo ngane kama hayi ayifuni lutho akafuni ulokotho hey
Mathi ngosenifikile ke.
hayi shem ngimcashulile impela uthi wena fanele uhambe were ulinde mina kanti mina ngiza nomuntu
Hayi akuthena nke noma usezoba la kusasa.
Oh hayi vele sesinyathele ke
Okay ngulezi vele.
ngane kama ungixolele kodwa sengixolele
Hayi uzayixola.
akafuna uzwa lutho hawu ungixolele hayi akafuna uzwa lutho
Hayi ngithenga litho.
Fanele kuthengele lentsela.
Lo driver ngoku.
Ewe.
Anespa athenga ibhotile athenga 12.
I agree.
bathungu ngicabeni yaba
Yenza wethu sicela ukuthi action
ngicela ubuyela eMdlovana
Suqolile ngane kama.
uqola ngebhodlela
Hayi ngidlova.
uqola ngebhodlela ase ngakuzwa swinti
Hayi.
idlani imali yami webaba awucimile kuphonga
Ewe izohlala ngapha tata. Singephike lana.
manje sisemgugundlovu la eklasi lami le sengiyakhuluma ningazi nongazi la eCape Town ngiyakudala phela
How umngena endlini?
Bye.
Okay.
This Utabawo has this at home.
Ndiphethe enye. Alright.
Ungena ndlini oh.
Let your music taste shine with Premium. Host a jam with your friends and share your favorite songs with
I
the
guess
entire squad without ad breaks. You can also play your favorite albums in any order with unlimited skips.
Oh, I just man.
About it to learn more.
Angibikanga. Usathi ngiwasekhata.
Thank God for traveling mercies. Oh my God. Molweni Sidwara. Ibeke phaa kum erumini mntanam ndiyisele kokugqibela kaloku. Umngena ndlini wam guys. Andenzanga ne-proper what. Wow. Molweni Sidwadweni. Ubudabs. Hayi nontshakazi umbonile unontshakazi wena coco. Nanku Daba. Oh, ufuna ukuchama kuqala. Yeah. Andibulisa uDabs ke. Hayi ntombazana. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Home sweet home. Always check my towels. They are there. Yo. Okay, I was worried because I am now using this girl. At least it's still here, and I have this. Thank God, because I'm thinking, guys, of. You don't want to. I'm thinking of removing this installation, guys, and in a headache. I don't know. I've got a terrible headache. It wasn't the Itanda install. I don't wanna lie. Love it so much. Ingubo yam nindigenisa design engubo. Pina. Pina come. Funa ntoni? Umbonile umampela or uzombona kusasa?
Sifuna umbona ngo.
Gogo, masami siyajonga uba basahleli na. Ulela umama? No. Hayi ke Pina uzombona kusasa umama. Ne? Thatha nansi ingubo. Unomama ke. I want to say, guys, I bought myself. In fact, I did not. I always say bought. I brought from Pretoria. I brought this because it's a 3-ply. The one I have here, I will take it to Lubaleko. Ubusi kudala ekukhumbula ke Daba. Athi how ingane kamana.
Ingane kamana baba.
Athi jibala sisizulu.
Ngigibela sikhathi baba. Adayijira azimshada yeKZN. Shada yeKZN ngizodinga amantombazana. Ndizobuya ngokhumbule phana. Hayi ingane kamana le. Ingane hawu. Yakatata wathi ukuphi tatata? Sosho no, ingane kamana. Kumbule khaya kana. Silwa ngengane la ekhaya. Nginengane ngishile la. Sekunesikhathi ihlala la. Erumini kamakoti wala ekhaya. Manje ngiyambuza makoti ingane yami sekhona nerumini lakho uthi hayi angazi cha angisakhumbula ukuthi kuphi. Okay ndayiqonda ndayeke ukukhuluma. Ngo ndaqoma eMdlovana ndifike ndazithengela leni ingane. kuze kuyabanda napha manje ingane kabhuti ibambisa lena ingane bayakhala bathi ayikho safe ngiyakutshela bengane yakubhuti ukhuluma mina ubani tatiboyihlo lengane kudala ngithengile mara isesemgangathweni uzoyisebenzisa kodwa phansi kwesandla sikabani sikamama yangizwa phansi ugcine umntana kadadobawo ingane yami le anginazo ingane kodwa nginazo zithu ngoms asisugodole
Sisi wakho ndiyakuxelela uba ungayiqheli i-hot water bottle usemncane
mamela ingane kabhuti ngangiyithembisa i-electric blanket
Ikephi-ke manje electric blanket?
ngithengela ndithi ndiyikhohliwe naye zangandikhumbuza
Phela manje sesiyakhuluma sonke la ekhaya. Morning guys, this is today 2, the day of the funeral guys. I just woke up. Ndifuna u-ayina apha and then take a quick shower and then siyameni. Mna ke ndisesetini ndiyokwenza iti. Sekuvukiwe ke sana ingathi umakoti is late, but guys sifike ebusuku yo. They are so understanding. They should understand actually. Oh. This is i-grocery ebesifike nayo izolo. Black or white? Black and white.
black or white
Izandla zombili ke la conflicted.
then unomjezelele uzoba black
Oh, meaning unganxiba black and white ufake ijezi yakho black and white. Noba unganxiba black. Yo, hayi andiyazi. But I think black angaba mhle. All black then ufake nejezi black and white. I think so.
nakhandiye komunye ke
Apha akukho serious yazi into endiyiqaphelayo kwicala lamajele mani. Noba umntu ungentoni. Ayikho laa nto uba funeka uqakathe because kunomngcwabo or funeka unxibe iqhiya emnyama because kunomngcwabo. Hayi shem. Azange ndayibona. Mabheka. Kunjani namhlanje? Siyaphila ndiyazibuza ke ntanabheki apha mosiba ayikho laa nto yoba umakoti xa kungumngcwabo ufanele anxibe iqhiya emnyama or anxibe idantsha. Ewe akuqakathwa apho shem. Kusesilungile. Umntu bolo hlobo nam ndayiqaphela loo nto noba ngaba wonke umuntu ndikhe ndibona abantu bexakatha shem ndiqonde nge azange ndayibona isenziwa esidodweni ke le into noba kungomngcwabo. Unxiba nje as long unxibe isikoti ubungumakoti. Hayi andinoyiqala ke nomntakaba ungelisini. And ke futhi apha akunxitywa nezo jezi. Akumqakathwa akunxitywa jezi unxiba nje loo nto enxibileyo uze ngcwabe. Baqakathi ityali banxibe iqhiya emnyama noba bayokwenza igrosari okanye banxibe ijuzi ngaphezulu. Andinoyenza into engenziwayo. Hayi futhi andifuni noyiqala ndingubani mna. Yho. Hayi bo iketile yam bheki bendizithengele iketile ngoDisemba. Yayihamba kunye nale ayini.
Ayikwapo esikhabathini le imnyama le
kwakhona eyakwelacala ndathenga eyakwelacala ndathenga eyemcala iyephi ngoku ndikhumbula kakuhle ngoDisemba ndandisenza ngayo ithi apha ebusuku xa ndirhalela ithi ndathi yeyi funa ndizithengele iketile nam ibe khona kweli cala ndingama ndiya kweli cala xa ndifuna into.
Hayi, azange andifuna uqoba kodwa ke
Suppose uba ilapho ibikhona.
likhona ya onansi
Oh. Akusoyiyo ke leyo yinantsika leyo yiblender.
oh
Khothi ngibonelo khalibhothi nani? Ntoni le?
ezinyeshe blend
Akusoyiyo le. Akusoyiyo le.
Iyabonga Nkosi yami Ngiyabonga Uyangikhanyisela Iyabonga 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 Nkosi Ngiyabonga ngomusa wakho Ngiyabonga usizo lwakho Ngiyabonga 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 Nkosi
Guys, ngiyayazi le outfit and one thing nge-funeral andiye ndithande noba ndiba nestress sothungisa iJennemane. I mean it's a funeral, you can't. Ndinxiba le nto ndinayo. So masihambeni ke guys, I'll see you when we come back. I'm not vlogging the funeral, you guys know. If we are vlogger, it will not be the funeral.
Endade.
Okanye manxiba iteki then ndizifake emotweni esilela imoto. Ndibekele back. Ingathi iweather iyatyhila. In fact ityhilile. Put my bag here. Masiyeni emungcwabeni nangodabawo. Noma mbhele kuthiwa yingubo la ikhimileyo. Hayi kodwa makayiphathe uzosayikhulula ifaka apha emotweni.
andithi makayikundinqoba ubusuku
Oh.
Makude nalo imfutshane endlela baqanda ishushu.
oh nathi
Akakhawuleza awufanwabizi. Alipinanga lizoqina. Usebusika.
Siphi isiciko sale moto masihambeni guys. Khosivulele tata isiciko sale moto.
Hambiza. Ngiyabona ngani. Ibanga mnyanto. Singabusabunyathe.
Oh, xhewukazi.
Hayi lipheli. Hayi lipheli.
Alilihle ke lo xesha.
Yeah.
Intsha ube nento comfortable etafutafu.
Hayi lengubo.
Nam ndiphethe ezamiteki once ndigodole
Bensitsho
ndizawutshintsha.
Ngingaphathina nami ibhuti yami.
Phatha Dabs. Fake apha ebhutini. Kunoba kumane kusiziwa kwelicala.
Yabona ngiba ndiphethe nepilisi zami nestofu.
Awusemhle makhulu.
Yani na?
Yeah,
kani ndinqomna ithanda izobhubhana.
Unawumbutho ngoto ngobhubhu. Hey, uwanele nansi lento axaxisa ngayo. Akhona umuntu lahle kana athi amaqalanga.
Awukazi ubhubha kwawena mama. Usazophi. Busiyiza nguwe udriver. Ndingakubetha. Busi uyahamba or what? Iza ke ngudriver.
Ezami unika ngika-edithwana. Wengane.
Yho, abusi uyasokolisa.
Bani ixesha busi? 7:30.
Ngoza kamkhubuke. Nakho bhuti weFortuna.
Umntu akuloma. Nini wana kulomnyo? Hayi ngibula
Sasuka phaka lokulehlani sabathembu.
Siyazala umntu akuloma we. Bengifuna katani ujuba kodwa ngifone.
Bese ndiphayeza.
Ndicela ukuyikhwela ngomso le moto.
Ngomso.
Sake ndiyidrive ngokwami.
Yathi ngomso.
Akuyandawo qha ndifuna ukuzibona ndiyiqhuba ngokwami. Usisa kwi-breakfast kaloku.
Breakfast.
Yeah.
Idio masango le. Kela kanjile bathenji.
Meeting yabathembu okwendikhayisela ngayo.
Sokhwela zami.
Hey, ongqongqo. Yebo, ngoba kafuna ugoduka. Hey.
Lamba
Siyagoduka thina guys.